So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 40-gallon Bradford White LP liquid propane water heater. Starting at the top, you got some dual wall B vent that's already going up in through the ceiling bucket there, up through the roof. So there was a piece down here, we just took it off, and brand new draft diverter comes with the unit, and then just a piece of single wall pipe right there. So that's all screwed in, and that's good. Back here, the water, we gave you a 1/4 turn shutoff valve. That's a full port, 3/4 inch by Watts, and so great company and quality product. So brand new valve there. Nothing's required on the hot side, so we didn't put one on there. We did offset it because it comes out and then it's heading right at this vent. You can see it's right behind this vent line, and we didn't want the pipe that close to it, so we just gave you a brass nipple, a brass 90, another brass nipple, and then these are Falcon stainless steel connectors. We talked to you about these. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, ultra flexible. These are the largest in the industry. Very expensive, but that's what we use. That's what we like. So these Falcon stainless steel connectors go down to brass extensions. We put these on because sometimes there's a conflict with the gasket that sits in this nut to the top of this connector right here. The fitting, it has a little plastic. Oh gosh, I'm losing my words right now. Anyways, there's a little plastic insert that sits at the top, and sometimes it doesn't seat correctly. So anyways, full brass extension. These are lead free, so full brass and then full stainless steel. And then a relief valve comes with it as well. Temperature under pressure builds up. This thing will pop off and drain. This line goes down to your existing pipe that's in the wall, and then it dumps out right there on the ground. Upper third, we got you some brand new straps in there. Lower third, we got some straps in there. And then of course, brand new gas valve, and then a gas connector going over to the unit. We're gonna light this just in a minute, get it going, but we did have to take this apart. There's a gas line that's going over to the laundry room, and the old water heater was a 50-gallon. It barely fit out the door, but we did get it out. We had to cut this gas line and get it out of the way so we could get the old water heater out. New one's a 40-gallon, so it's only 20 inches in diameter, so that's good. We had to get this put back together. So rigid pipe, a little 12-inch nipple, and then you've got a left-right coupling and a left-right nipple over to another little piece of pipe tied back in. So that's yours coming out to here. That's that 90 and that 90. That's your pipe, and all this is ours. This whole horizontal piece is ours. Of course, that's your 90 and that's your pipe there, but it's tied back together rigid, and you got movement in it because it's actually behind the water heater back there. It stubs over and then comes this way, so but it's fine. It's all rigid pipe, not going anywhere. Anyway, so the gas is on now. We're going to go ahead and light this water heater, take a look and make sure everything's good. And then that, by the way, that blue stuff, that's just a leak detector. We're checking it to make sure there's no leaks right there. It's your model number, serial number right here. If you go to bradfordwhite.com, you can get your warranty going on that guy. And then of course, once we set this, we're going to leave it hot right there. It's 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160. We recommend leaving it on hot. Otherwise, you run the risk of scalding. You can read it right there. Any trouble in the home with a fixture that's not producing hot water, it's probably not a brand new water heater. It's going to be a cartridge in a tub or a shower or a single handle faucet. Give us a holler. We'd be glad to take care of that for you. But anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.